In one of the videos from the, I think it was the Beyond Belief conference, I'm not absolutely sure, but there was an interesting interchange between the guy in the audience who was a religious person who was arguing for the benefits of a kind of religious or theological outlook in allowing him to tolerate uncertainty and so on. And he was responded to by a woman whose name escapes me for the moment, but she was a colleague of Carl Sagan's, and she gave this really eloquent response to do with, well, a number of his claims, but specifically his point about tolerating uncertainty and ambiguity, saying that the very nature of science is its willingness to embrace doubt as a methodology and to tolerate uncertainty and gaps and all of that sort of architecture that comes with doubt, really. And it's got me thinking about that, about wondering why and how and what kind of a doubt that is, and why science does provide that kind of certainty. And one of the things I'm thinking about is to do with, how can I put this? Well, it's to do with progress, I think. I suspect, well, maybe we're completely wrong in this, that one of the reasons that doubt is so tolerable, or at least moderately tolerable to scientists, is because if you embrace the concept of science, then you're also embracing the concept of the advancement of knowledge. You feel yourself on a journey somewhere. You feel that the ground you've covered has been mapped, at least tentatively, and that there is some sort of an end point, even if it's well over the horizon. I think that kind of a structure to your epistemology is a great. So if part of the comfort provided by science, I'm not entirely happy with that word, but if part of the confidence in the face of uncertainty that science seems to be able to mobilize is derived, at least in part, from this idea that they're we are all on a sort of trajectory, then it makes kind of sense. It's a bit like having a pain. You can get through any sort of pain as long as you know it's got an end point, or as long as you know that it's somehow doing you good. Like the pain of childbirth or something like that. You know you can get through it because it's kind of worth it. So the pain of uncertainty is bearable in the scientific paradigm if you